Hello everyone. So now we are going to start our next topic, which is articles a and the for class 3rd, 4th and 5. So let's get started. Now the letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. As we know that we are having 26 alphabets. Among those 26 alphabets, we are having 5 vowels, which are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the alphabets are your consonants. So we use A for the words beginning with a consonant sound, and we use N for the words which are beginning with a vowel sound. Like we are having few examples for you. A pen. This P is, we are saying pen with a P sound, that is a consonant sound, so this should be A. Similarly, drum. This is your consonant word with a consonant sound, so this is A. And this P is again a consonant, which is, we are pronunciating this with a consonant sound, so we will use A in front of it, before it. Now we use N before words which are beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, like we are having egg. Egg is beginning with E sound, so this should be N. We are having eagle, which is again beginning with E sound, so this would be your N eagle. Similarly, ice cream, I, so that is again beginning with a vowel sound, so this should be N ice cream. And N ox. Ox, since it is again beginning with a vowel sound, so the word which are beginning with consonant sounds, before them we use A word, A article, and if any word is beginning with a vowel sound, then we will put N before that word. Now the articles are the words A and the. These are the articles. These three are your article which we use. So A and N are definite articles, and the is your definite article. We use articles before nouns to refer to the person or the thing being talked about. We use we use A or N before one person or the thing. Like if you are talking about a single person or a single thing, then we will use A. Okay. And we actually put articles before noun. As we know that noun is anything which like name, place, animal or thing, we put articles before those. So if you are talking about, like, Tina bought a new notebook, so this notebook is your noun. She bought one notebook, so we will use a in place of that, and this new is beginning with your consonant sound, so we have kept a before it. Here we use a before new, since this is beginning with your consonant sound. Similarly, Charlie is an intelligent student. This student is your noun, and this intelligent, this word is beginning with I with an vowel sound, so we have put or used N article. Here we use N before the intelligent because it starts with a vowel sound. Now we use the when we talk about a particular person or a thing. If we are talking about something which is in common and we are not specifying that person, then we will use the article A or N. Okay, and the second thing is A and N are used for a singular thing. The can be used for plural as well and singular thing. Okay, but in the we use that for a particular thing. If you are talking about a particular thing, then we will use the. Okay, example: the ball, the egg, the orange, and the boy. These are the few examples of using the article. So now we'll move to example of using the article. So you can see that I saw a ball in the field, that someone seen a ball in the field. Okay, so now if you are particularly talking about that particular ball, so I will use the over there. Okay, so this the is being used for that particular ball which was red in color. If you are talking about a particular thing, then we will use the article. A ball is any ball which we are talking about. The ball, when you are talking about a specific ball, when you are specifying any object or thing, then we will use the. Like you can see, this is a ball, any ball. If you are talking about any ball, then we will use a. If you are specifying about that, then it would be the ball, the red ball. Now we use the with both singular and plural noun, as I have told you earlier. This is an example: the dog is playing with a rubber ball. This is the picture of a dog who is playing with a rubber ball. It is a singular but even after that we are using the. Similarly, if you are having these, there are two ships, even after that we are using the. So from here we get to know that we can use the with plural or singular as well. So the ships are sailing in the sea. Since we are talking about these two particular ships, hence we have used the over here. Now grammar bites. When the first letter is silent and second letter produces a vowel sound, then we use an before it. Like we are having NR. As you can see that this word is beginning with H, which is a consonant, but when you are pronunciating it, we pronunciate it as R. So what we will say is an R. Similarly, this word is beginning with H, which is a consonant, but since when you are pronunciating it, it should be honest. So what you will say is an honest man. So this is the thing which we should keep in our mind, that whenever a word, either it is beginning with a consonants, but just take care when you are pronunciating it. If it is pronunciating with a vowel sound, then we will use N as an article. Second thing is, we also use a with some words that begin with a vowel, because these vowel sounds like consonant, like a university. When you are talking about it, this is beginning with U, but still when you are pronunciating it, it sounds like Y. So what we use is a university. Okay. Like the is used with uncountable nouns. You need to take care of this, that the is used before the uncountable noun if it refers to a particular thing. Like we are having air. Air is uncountable, and we are specifying that in this particular room we are having hot air. So we are talking about this particular air now. So what we will use is the article. The air in this room is hot. Do not forget that there are three articles, a, an, and the. Okay, a, an, and the. A and an are used for person or thing. That is singular in number. If you are using a and the, we just use that for the singular things only. A is used with a consonant, while n is used with a word that begins with vowels. The is used for a particular person or thing. Fill in the blanks with a or n. A is used with consonant, n is used with your. Now we will take some examples for you. We are having few filling the blanks, like we are having dash rubber. Now you can see that this word is beginning with R, which is a consonant, and we are having consonant sound only. So what we will use is a rubber. A match. This am is your consonant. Again, union, we have written the correct pronunciation of it, union. Okay, so here the pronunciation of this is beginning with an consonant sound. So we have written it, what we use is a union. Similarly, this is a, which is beginning with a vowel, so it would be an apricot. An umbrella, since this is again your vowel, this is an ice cube. Again, this is an vowel, and they are actually beginning with your vowel sounds. Now we are having R. Okay, this is beginning with H, which is a consonant, but when you are pronunciating it, it should be R. Okay, so it is beginning with a vowel sound, which is of O. So O is your vowel, so what we will use it? N. Similar, this is your dress, which is beginning with a consonant sound, so this should be your A. A cake, an Easter egg, Easter, beginning with E sound, so this would be your an Easter. This is an island, beginning with I's vowel sound, so this would be your an island. A guest, G, which is your consonant. An honest man, you can see that I am pronunciating it as honest, even if it is beginning with your consonant, but I am pronunciating it as honest, so this should be your an honest man. This is your a toothpick, T is your consonant, and we are beginning it with a consonant sound, so it should be a toothpick. A bell, a fairy. An idea, beginning with I word, which is your vowel sound. A good idea. You can see that we were having idea and now we are having a word before it which is good. Since this is beginning with G, which is your consonant, so this would be a good idea. A naughty monkey. An angry man. We are pronunciating with a vowel sound which is of A. So this would be your an angry man. An apple, a mango. Okay, there is difference between the sounds. An honest man. Again we are having honest. I have described you that earlier that this is beginning with honest O sound. Okay, so this should be John is an honest man. So next is there is dash envelope on the table. This word is beginning with E and when you are pronunciating it, it should be envelope, which is again a vowel sound of A. So what we will write it N. There is an envelope on the table. Can you see dash old lady? O. Again it is beginning with the vowel sound of O. So this should be you can see an old lady. Usha is dash fast runner. Usha is a fast runner. So this is a consonant and beginning with a consonant sound. Dash girl in the street is crying. A girl is crying in a street. Please can I have dash chocolate? This is beginning with C, which is a consonant sound. So what you will write is A. Ruby is dash brave child. Again this is beginning with B, which is your consonant. So we will write A. This is dash interesting story. This is again beginning with your I vowel sound. So what we will write is N. Can I have dash glass of water? Glass is again now it is beginning with a G, which is a consonant sound. So what we will write is A. This is dash engine. Engine is beginning with E. E sound. So this would be your N engine. Now we will go through the few examples of the. So the is used for the particular person or thing. Dash Ganga river. So we are particularly talking about river. We are having many rivers, but since we are talking about the particular river, which is your Ganga river, so what we will use is the Ganga river. Similarly, this is your Yamuna river. So what we will write is the Yamuna. The Atlantic Ocean. Since we are talking about that particular ocean, so this would be the Atlantic Ocean. Similarly, the Arabian Sea. The sun, we are having sun. We are particularly talking about that, so we will use the sun. The moon. The best student. The Taj Mahal. These are few particular things before which we use the. The class monitor. Okay. The red fort. So now we are having few grammar bites. Articles are not used before the names of people, town and cities. When we are talking about the people, town and cities, we do not use N before that, any article before that. Example, we are having Rajesh. In this sentence you can see that I have not used any article before Rajesh. Rajesh is a name of a person and it is your noun, but we cannot use any article before that. So this should be Rajesh wants to be a sailor when he grows up. We haven't used any article before Rajesh. Similarly, this is your city. London is the capital of England. So here also I haven't used any article before London. So what we should keep in our mind is that when you are talking about any people, any place or any city, then we won't use the any article, a, an and the before that. Okay.